Okay, normally I have a guy videotaping for me, but today I will be doing this by myself. So I got the smoker going. Here we go. I'm going to take a quick peek at this. I just looked at my dad's hive and we actually just put the super on. Ow, just got bit. Here we go. So what I'm noticing here is there's an earwig in the top, first one I've seen. What? I got something going right now. Smoke in the front of the hive. This is the top feeder, and we've got bees. Let's smoke them a little bit. Check the hive beetle trap. No hive beetle, but like a flea looking thing. So, there's a drone. Okay, so we got nothing drawn out on that. Very little drawn out on that. That's 80%. This is, they're drawing it out. Ow, tried to sting me on my finger. They're drawing this out real nicely. No queen. This is a little heavy. It's got honey over there, honey over here. These are eggs. Very well, lots of eggs. Okay, so this is pretty well completed. And this side is eggs and honey, honey and eggs. Lots of eggs. I don't see the queen. Fifth frame. Okay, I got lots of little bees. Got some capped brood. No queen. There's no eggs, but they're larvae at all kinds of stages, and they're just, see how the center is capped. That means that's where she laid first. Seems like she always lays to the center. Lots of bees coming there. And on this side, capped brood and a little bit of honey, capped honey here. No queen. Okay. We got a little bit more. So right now we got not this one. This is the sixth one. Feels very heavy. Lots of capped brood. No queen. A little bit of honey on the top right capped. Got nectar over here. Looking good. Capped brood, honey. Looks good. Get out of the way, bees. Okay. Alright. You're a wiggly wiggly. Where's your deal? Alright. Oh. There's a drone. Capped brood. That bump out is our drone cell right in the middle there, if you can see it. Drone cell right here. Capped brood all over here. Honey, capped honey here. Nectar. Nectar. This side we got same thing. Okay. Okay. Oh, very heavy. This is eggs. Don't see the queen. Honey and capped brood. Gotta be careful not to get honey. Okay, some. What's going on there? Coming through. I haven't seen a hive beetle yet. That's good. This is fairly heavy. This is mostly honey, but a little bit of capped brood. Or not capped, but just an egg or two that's laid. Okay. I'll squish that sucker. Alright. Ninth frame I should say. And it is honey, well, nectar, I don't know what's going on there. I see. Is the queen around here somewhere? I'm not seeing the queen. So it's pretty well. These are ready to, oh, there is some eggs in there. Okay. Some eggs, not a lot. Alright, that looks pretty well drawn out for the most part. So 70% killing it. Smoke down in there. And this is not really drawn out. Is this side? It's getting there. Nothing is laid. Nothing at all. No queen. No hives in the hive beetle trap. That's that clear thing right there. See the liquid in there? So that's what that's supposed to look like. Alright. So we've got pretty well about 65 to 70% drawn out on this bad boy. Kind of torn as to what to do next. Okay, there's a dead bee. I'm gonna pop the hive here and just kind of take a quick peek on this lower one. There's another ant. Lots of ants. I'm gonna set this down right here. Okay. Okay. What is going on here? Can you see this? Not really. I'm gonna have to lower it down. There's the bottom. Let's see what they're doing. Okay, this is not much going on there. They're fixing that. Okay. What I am going to do here, they're building that back out full of honey. They're trying to sting me there. Honey and worker brood. Here. Not quite sure why they're doing that. I don't want to do that yet. We're going to go ahead and stick this back in just the way it came out. I think I just squished one. I'm going to slide smoke. Okay. They're trying to fix this. I kind of damaged this the last time around. No queen there. You get out of the way, buddy. Come on, I don't want to kill you. There we go. Okay, they're fixing it. Not much going on there. Okay, what are we? Oh, there's the queen right there. See her? Top right. She's right there in the middle of it. Very nice shot of it. She's way down here hiding, I think. I'm not sure what she's doing. We're kind of getting full of honey here. So she was on the 5th frame in. The bees like to get in the way. I don't want to squish them. Okay, so I'm going to look here fast now. I saw the queen.
I'm seeing lots of nectar and pollen and some capped honey right here. Go away, come on. So we're filled out. There's some nectar, pollen, capped brood.
There is some brood there that is just starting to